In today's video, I'll explain how Dropbox Sign works and how you can use it to collect digital signatures easily. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Dropbox Sign website. Log into your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one in just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, upload the document you want signed or select one that's already in your files. Dropbox Sign supports common formats like PDF and Word documents. After opening the document, choose the option to send it for signature. This will open the document inside the Dropbox Sign editor. Next, add the names and email addresses of the people who need to sign the document. Dropbox Sign uses these details to send signature requests to each signer. Now, you'll prepare the document for signing. Using the editor, place signature fields, date fields, or text fields exactly where each signer needs to complete them. The drag and drop setup makes this quick and easy. Once the fields are in place, give your document a clear title and click Send. Dropbox Sign will email each signer a link to review and sign the document online. After the signers complete their signatures, everyone receives a copy of the finalized document, which is securely stored in your account. That's how Dropbox Sign works. It simplifies document signing, saves time, and keeps everything organized in one place. Thanks for watching and happy signing.